Mala, Chiamarago. Happy Sunday afternoon. I hope Malian got the reality and then. Kenem de Conalde Lata Loach, Cochang, Michelle and Shop. As we all know, Shiliacha Takakon along these days. The right cannot today, Kishida Bagaroon. First and foremost, they my condolence of Canadian family, and you can lose that and channel lose the community. You didn't do the channel lose the community. Cornelia Yakin could rest in peace. Learn a lot about Lodge. Leah is part of the cycle of things we mourn. She me longer go dear watch. Because she may control a human. Go to you mentally banner and prepare for that. Being at you, Chungra, you cannot today, tomorrow, she day care, you know, like and in Kenyan got. To all the family, the ideal that your family you can lose. I'm praying over Cornelba Yamoika strength and courage. May their soul rest in peace. Kunchamana Kundashalus, Mala, in ideal Shaban. She video medidum and boka video method. Take a mugo ready clarify, Nijo. Michoke internet along. Cha preach Benedu Lukuni. Kagora je things Bible kalat can attend to walk naturally. We mourn. Gora Javana Dak Dian Banajanach. I'm not here to judge anyone because there was a time to Mokwaja. Near Lapin Malapin Lavella Yatugo Nene. They tagged at a pin in Michikurum when they cried again Lapin Moika Latone. So Medan Quajaja, but Chaban Night Coach and Abentarek. Kacha science here, astronomy, Chaban understand. So Rajamanidi Guru, Nathan Chamuike panic attack Africa, particularly there like Coach Riakola, who con native Christian at the Western world, chicken Rajala, Bukan Akola, talk with it, chicken use the Bible, thing to la talk. So when they write Jode, they go over clarifying the blood moon is been. La paya there is to walk. She need to want a lot of the right Bible, I'm in the Bible a lot. And you, Miss Benijan, to go to attack all of this stuff. It's on funds and all, but she made the guru then adwal kaja. Mila to walk. Mila talk a blood moon, a natural phenomenon, Mila to walk. Phenomenon, Quajaja, Katung, recording I wear the motif in God. But a natural phenomenon, Mala talk for some years. Allow Jen la two go la talk, Miss Pai, Miss Tiang, a la full moon, a la Pai and Gita dan, Genta Mala talk. Come and la talk, and Uber Pai below a la dare, a wound and a Pai, and pointer, a la hurt, a la win moon, a la show the calm path, can a chung. Muon show the camp can a chung. So, quest sunlight and kumun la reflect, Monkula reflect one pat, Monkopai Monkojala Moika boy, the Malaboy share block. Co share block, gangaja, the pie bakulo la there. Chejana? So, allow shallow no take a new mutwalk. Okay? Shallow no take a new mutwalk. A la talk during la talk all of the time in Chapai shalo la full moon. So it does happen in next 3 years, but talk and yok. Tala Magunijan is a natural phenomenon, Mila talk. Jajan, a Mila talk. Kala talk, the whole time Mila talk, Kajala talk, Michi Chung, Pai, Kamun, Michi Winmon, Michigarodian lined up, allow Michigarodian sharping. Agent Tamala talk, Kala Lojala Dara Pai, allow me. Michi Topul moon mutaten. Let's say mutuoga during the time a pie she full I have Chadel Wajalaret. Shajana? So it had to be a full circle, Bacola Wajalaret. So they jogo in it in the air commission can more. a natural phenomenon mala talk but talk and yok in the next 3 years ngay cái jama date but talk cái jama pai but talk 3 years from now so go re je wutin che bible kalat jeno kon ya la jogo she don't count all your eggs with you wutin dia le bible kalat de kan talk kien because lingli tungwa ban exaggerate kana bana ko la ja dwal she mo goro bana dwal ka je mela talk she jana so mela talk so tendi ale jagor ka bible chen ga lined up ke ten talk ke astronomy ko bana ko la dwal ba ko la nge je nyu no wen mon but it's not the truth she jana so the blood moon talk ke chen kwi ko ala win mon sho da ka kampat kene chang kala talk ko mi she pai mi sha full moon so tell you ma talk talo mo good sleep okay we're good talo mo good okay read cha lu good ma bala nga ga ye long ko okay na mo good la ko la wo je ni na wi mon ke civilization la da ka ni je be da bo bo dot chung ka allow to be honest okay na mid good let's be real go re je we da man da ko na mo ke we ma da de la je na civilization la wi mon ne ri cha wi mon la ka la ka da ka ba ga rior ba ne di kong ba ga chak je na la talk la point wa okay na mo good tele en so ne me cha talk tele end so be nga je no but civilization they do end they do rise and they fall so the civilization be kel be fall the civilization me dong baro de je so janta ma to kon te right now allow civilization of Babylon tether the civilization Africa baro de je ajen talk na mo so chwana do ro moine ke meaning ma dong de riek la wonu talo mo good so calm down ka yen ji dul kun bo ten cha take understand ke cha astrology cha understand la da na talk because la ko chi ko mi nong na do la jen kan ye kam ye do la che jen so therefore she bu guru ne be your congregation bi ga ja do ka ngi ma la talk la na ma la talk na but talk nyok in the next 3 years cha talk before 8 years ago so a mila talk ka talo me badak because of it so janitor de guru and they explain ke yana mo yene ideal chas care te o madak talo madak the world is fine bikirun just fine biniana wera ka Africa just fine binen boy yo ka wera ka ne ga ta badak ne te be bentone so kango de binay care tomorrow so talo mo good so de jong ni yo calm down allow gore yo ban rodan ni ke me astronomy and astrology allow tama marai kone ala kor yom DNA to chale astrology no ngai kana matin butuang next year total is clip ni bikadi you know ngai ken ka everything they know ahead of time tell them a surprise ka ke you know so ajana to de goro balu ge na mo miti ka panic mu no wona ta o mo good talo mo good okay talo mo good so we are fine a total eclipse is a scientific thing la talk we Muon a natural phenomenon talo mo badak ka kwida you know talo badak ka kwida so jana to de jogi de lu ge na mo miti ka panic mo no one calm down talo we Muon badak and this phenomenon it had nothing to do with the Bible but the uchi koryom dia chakawa connect ku bana ko la dwal so janata ni jantana na mo so chloi da te ke yani re jen ba kel with the doctor which so lao akunyala tekel ke ye ko belas the last thing and they lar de jogni thank you in my community my society South Sudanese in general talk a supporter to one tishamanu herikoro majur tekanten data loida de laria for the encouragement and the support that you know because allow ran like you didn't alco quite support in their kun this past weekend chawagwa kun nyamara me support don't changa nentin too so I was so overwhelmed kamar to ditabaka nyamara to ditabaka bangam jogo thank you talala do go ken logana chaloida chatet kayelong because again reason allow worker ka life you not gonna right ka shiu ti malanya na but again we michi kudu mu ke mu cha kami bi share kana te kana but you ka ne ne I wa shile na ka Africa ka raji you talk too much tell Ramala Makene ideal. Tejana Ramu quite intimidate Karai Nakatala ladder. That means Jeramichi talk she gore. Sejana. So tell Ramadi knock an ideal. So I'm perfectly okay when Nate cook complain. Oh, I talk too much. Kunu but talk about lar telling a dwalka jachang medum tweet. A lighting a Jeramudi mu grown day you in Maledamoni chagua. La Umelareco community dano la corner with you, Maramalar talk $1 she a dual. Mitch could con you go ladder right the ladder talk with talk and doing that's what I'm doing. And my spirit is so free. Talangaria Karamalognian too. I'm fine with it. Because Telaramadi knock an idea. Tajana, but a nigga need or wine a loy nikian, Kabate need chicken or loy nikian. So Bariadam and de Laru Takam with them to Kota Kama and Chen with New Kaja dweller. Anytime to Kota Camrian which a Kamade Nachum Kaja Banachum Kaja. Talangadual. Kamijara Mitro de Jabobia near Kaja. You delaying your own blessing because you should be working toward one and be your purpose, be a discovery, take a do purpose doing. And say don't worry about what I do. So there you go, Chloe, tell the long Mari, my community, my people in the Southern Sudanese, thank you for your support, your love, and your encouragement. So a quarter cut at a calcaya. And it's a thank you. Bye.